strong. I keep you bright. Eat me up, morning or night. Fruits are yummy. Fruits are sweet. Healthy snacks we love to eat. Red, yellow, orange, and green. The tastiest treats you've ever seen.